Hey everyone, today we're discussing how to fix the sound problem on your Pinterest app. Let's find the solution to this issue. To begin, open up your device's settings and navigate to the Apps section. Scroll down and locate the Pinterest app. Tap on Pinterest to access its settings. Within the Pinterest app settings, tap on Force Stop and Confirm by tapping on OK. Next, navigate to the storage settings and tap on Clear Cache to remove any cached data. After clearing the cache, turn off your device's Wi-Fi and then turn it back on. That's it. Following these steps should help resolve the sound problem on your Pinterest app. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing to our channel.